Hey everyone. Welcome to this episode of Making Your Own Design Academy. My name is Cynthia Akita and I'm your brand strategist and educator here at the Design Pharmacy. Now we are continuing with our Canva Create 2025 features, and we are going to do some coding today with Canva AI. So I am trying it out for the first time with you guys. Had to bring you on for the ride. So let's see how this works out. Now, after clicking on Canva AI, you're going to click on Code for Me. And Canva is going to show you some of the different things that you can do to utilize the software. So we have pricing calculator. Business owners, this would be a great thing to kind of play around with. A historical timeline, interactive menu, interactive flashcard game, countdown timer, birthday card, sorting, vocab matching game, memory game. I wonder what the difference is between the sorting and the memory game. Well, actually, yeah, I guess it's kind of different with the star there. Okay, I get it now. Okay, and then accessibility simulator, and then a 3D game exploring space. All right, so let's start with something that may seem a little simple. Let's do the birthday card. So it pops up what the prompt is. This is pretty simple. Okay, so I was right, simple. It pops up what the prompt is, or what is used to make that specific thing, to kind of give you an idea of what the prompt should be. So create an SVG based digital celebration card with modern animations. Start with an example birthday card for Emma featuring confetti animations, a soft blue to pink gradient background, and interactive elements that trigger when clicked. So it's specific but vague at the same time. As a follow-up, ask me about recipient name and celebration type, preferred color palette, 2 to 3 colors, message to display, animation style preferences. All right, so let's just see what this looks like. So it's gonna literally show you the coding. Like, you see the title, birthday card for Emma. The body, it chose Poppins as the font, which I probably should have specified. I actually love Poppins, so that's fine. So literally the codes for cake, the message gift box, the gift lid, opening the lid, like it's literally showing you the exact code that it's using to put it all together, which is really cool because coding honestly makes my head spin. So it's nice to see it in a way that doesn't confuse me so much. So you see candles, top layer, I believe it was talking about the cake there. You have the balloons, the gift box, the message. This is pretty cool, the button and all that. So it's literally in real time coding everything for you. And at the top, you could see how many lines of code have been written in this short amount of time. So we're over 260 at this point, 260 lines of code. And that would take someone, like, think about it. It would take someone a while to literally do that. Okay, so we have Happy Birthday, Emma. And you can see when I hover over it, it like bounces up. Sorry, there was a fly in my face. You see it bouncing up and down. You can click celebrate and you see like the digital confetti there. I want to see what it says here on the side. So now you have a beautiful interactive birthday card for Emma. Try clicking on the different elements, celebrate. Okay, click the cake to make the candles flick. Do the candles flicker? I didn't see them flicker actually. I just see the confetti. The gift box to open it and reveal a surprise. Okay, so there's that. Click the oh, are those balloons? Lord, I didn't even realize. So the balloons float away. Would you like to personalize this card? I can help with. Who is this card for and what are you celebrating? What colors would you prefer? Okay, I understand. So as a follow-up, ask me about the recipient name, blah, blah, blah. Okay. All right, so one. The card is for Cynthia. Okay, I totally spelled my name wrong. Like, why did I do that? All right. 2. I would like green, different shades of green for the colors. The message should say, "Happy birthday, Queen. Wishing you many years of blessings, open doors, and opportunities." And then any specific animation style preference. Let me think. Okay, maybe explosions. All right, so let's see what that does. Oh, wow. So, man, so it's rewriting the entire code, which is a bit much. I understand why, but I think, again, this is the first time that Canva is putting this out, which is a great lesson to us that you put things out even when they're not perfected so that you can have the opportunity to gain feedback and then perfect it. So I'm sure in the future, Canva will give us the opportunity to hopefully play around with the code or make things a bit more seamless, whereas it can rewrite the code or like change certain aspects of the code without having to rewrite the entire thing. So I hope that's, in the future for Canva AI, especially Canva Code, because it has a lot of great potential. I mean, I would have to find a developer. I would absolutely be able to design the front end of this. But then to add the codes and all of that, I probably have to hire somebody and then, upload it to wherever it's going to be. And Canva kind of takes out that middle portion and found a way to condense it in you just putting a prompt together. So this is still a pretty cool thing, and there are still a lot of uses for it even in its early stage. So all right, so I don't know what this is. Maybe because I put Queen. So put Happy Birthday Cynthia, the different shades of green. All right, so I guess because I put Queen, it has like the crown everywhere. These look like leaves. Let me see. It says, click celebrate to trigger multiple explosions. Okay, I like that confetti type better, I think. The crown at the top for a golden explosion. Okay, that was a small explosion. Click the cake to make the candles flicker. Oh, okay, that's what the flicker is supposed to look like. That's so interesting because it didn't happen the first time. All right, and then the gift box to reveal the crown. And then the leaves for explosion. Okay. All right, so it did something, right? Now I'm gonna X out of that. And let's see if we can do an interactive flashcard game. All right, create an interactive flashcard game for vocabulary learning. Start with an example Spanish language set featuring 5 common greetings, clean, flip animations, and progress tracking. As a follow-up, ask me about subject, language to study, specific terms and definitions to include, visual style preferences, additional feature scoring, hints, etc. I'm going to change this because I have little kids and, teaching them alphabets and all of that stuff. So I want to see if I can make something that I can use for them. So create an interactive flashcard game for alphabet and numbers learning. I'm going to see if I can expand. The alphabets will range from uppercase A through Z and lowercase A through Z. The numbers will only go up to number 10. I want a set of, let me do the math in my head. So 52 plus 10, so 62 of 62 cards. Start with I'm just gonna take this out. It should have clean flip animations and progress tracking. The color scheme should include primary colors and fun animations. Oh wait, I already said, well, flip animations to relate to what is on each card. Okay. As a follow-up, ask me about, the font used should be Poppins. Okay, as a follow-up, ask me about visual style preferences and the rest, because I don't really care about the others. All right, so let's see what will happen there. So I see it put confetti in there. Probably gonna look like the confetti that we saw on the birthday card. Let's see. Oh, that's cool. So the front is gonna have A, the back is gonna have apple, and the colors there. The animation is bounce. Some animations are shake. This is really cool. This is extremely cool that it literally understood what I said with lowercase A through Z, uppercase A through Z, and then numbers 1 through 10. So the front says 1, the back says 1 spelled out, and it has the bounce animation in the different colors. This is really cool. I can't wait to see what it turns out to look like. And at this point, it's written over 350 lines of code. All right. I mean, I'm not even, okay, it's in now. Ooh. All right, so let's see how this works. So I would show this to my kids, and when they say A, all right, apple. Next, B, ball. Okay, this is cool. This is nice. I would probably make the font smaller. And I would want the background to be more visually appealing. But yeah, so D, dog, and I could flip it back to the front. D for dog. It would be cool if there was a picture of a dog too. E, I would think that's supposed to say elephant, but I can't see. So there are a lot of changes that I would make, but for the sake of time and because it would have to like rewrite the entire code, I'm just gonna leave like this for now and probably play with it in my free time. But this is cool. This is really cool. All right, let's see. Oh, it's still on the old one. Okay, so get out of here. Code for me. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna do the create a fun memory game. Create an interactive memory matching game designed as a fun meeting icebreaker. Start with an example of team. Start with an example Team Connect game featuring 12 emoji cards, 6 pairs, colorful workspace theme, and 10 conversation starter questions ranging from what emoji best describes your morning to. All right. All right, let's just see what this comes up with. All right, so we're writing the code, and this is just the last example for now, or in this video that I'll go through with you guys. Again, just to show you guys what is possible. Another tip that I've been told of is that you can actually use ChatGPT to help you refine your prompt so that you're getting a lot more of what you're asking for and know how to specifically ask for the visuals that you're hoping to have created for you. So you could always bring ChatGPT into the picture to help you out as well, because sometimes we don't always have all the words or the knowledge of what we'll need. So yeah, use the resources that are available. So let's see what this comes up with. All right, so Team Connect. Match the emoji pairs and answer fun questions to connect with your team. So we have a puzzle here. Nope. So puzzle here and puzzle there. Oh, so Team Connect question. What emoji best describes your morning routine? Next question. Share a work accomplishment you're proud of from the last month. What's a skill you've developed recently that you're excited about? Continue playing. Star, target, rocket ship. All right, target. Okay, we've gone through that question. If you could have any superpower at work, what would it be? All right, so this is pretty cool, and you can transfer it over into a new design. Double click to interact. Now I wonder, okay, I can't. So I was gonna try to center all of this. It seems like you may not be able to, but you can publish it as a website or preview it. So I forgot. Okay, so yeah, I probably shouldn't have cropped that because it cuts off the question part. So I understand that now. But yeah, you can publish it as a website or print it out. I mean, if you print it out, you will lose the gaming capability. But if you just wanted to show what it would look like, you could do that too. And that's all I have for you in this episode. So I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to share, like, comment, and please subscribe as well. So I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.